Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know from the title, this is the Eid vlog, how I spent the Eid in London 2022. So let's get started. First I make the dessert, that is kheer, and then I make the baked pasta for the Eid day. And I tried the little henna design, but that's not really good, but I tried it. So Eid Mubarak. On the day of Eid in the morning, we just get ready in the fast, and we go to the park and we take a little bit picture at the back of our house, and then we reach the park around 10 o'clock, and 10:30 is a Eid prayer time. So this is the view of the park. Muslim community come here, Muslim families come here and pray the Eid namaz together. Very nice weather, and they meet each other and they then pray the namaz. And after the namaz we have the dinner. We take it as a one dish party. Every family take one or two dishes as they like. So we sit together, we eat together on the Eid day. Every kids enjoy that day as well, and we also enjoy that day as well because we sit together, chat, gupshup, everything together, and very nice time we spend on the Eid day in this park. So this is the foods every family make it. And in the park the kids enjoy a lot that Eid day because they play together. There's a little bit cold, but that's fine. The weather is very nice but cold for the kids, so every kid wear the jackets and apron and shawls. And they play around the park. There's a bouncy castle, there's ice cream in the park on the Eid day. And then we take pictures, we spend the time, and after that we have another dinner in the friend's house. Hope you like the video.